Saba.
Hi guys! First day. Ayoko na. Sorry. Alam niyo na kung sino yan pag naka-blue. Sir Troy Inida. Bye guys! I'm going home. Kasi malungkot ang lola niya. Ito eh. Because I'm tired. So, I'll go home.
Timol!
Kakagising lang yan. Naka-uniform pa yan. Mag-jacket ka, uy. Red, ajig ka ayo. I woke up like this ang atake. Oh, wala, naiilis na to. Hi guys! So, it's our first kwek-kwek this year with them. Yeah, second semester. And see you until 4th year, I guess. I'm with Angel. And Aldrin. Of course, me. Myself and I. Ako rin nalahi kay unique man ko. Sila kay, hi, gaya-gaya. Hubadera ng taon. Aldrin. Tama ng update, Jel. Over naman. Gani, tama na, Jel.
Angel!
Ay, pre.
Katang tulo ka ng tulo ba?
Ano? Ay, si Aldrin. Unsa yung giingon? Unsa? Over naman sa lahat. Dili, uy, kung ano ba, gago, ano. Wala. Oh gosh, dili ko na. Okay lang. Smile! I'm playing with Riley right now and this is one. I don't want to risk it. Gani, anong tiras paper ni Gani? Smile daw? Of course. Wala, 2 out of 6. This is dramatic. Fact. Hi, pa. What did you just do, sis? Dramatic. Bye, guys. Later. Ano to? Wala man. I-shot na gito. Dog, sila ko ang ano mo. Ako nakita lagi sa kuan sa YouTube kay. Ano sa to?
Ano, mas jump scare?
Ganit wala sa ako ah.
Ano, pagkakara?
Ayun, kaya kabalo ko ba kung na-scary. Na-siya ring.
Ano ko naman yun?
No, he just follows me. People say he's got a face on his back.
If you look closely,
Ano, mamatay ka?
Don't look. They say anyone who stares at a face dies.
I didn't see a thing.
So sa camera ko to connectan aw. Ano ba sa naman?
You go.
Ako. Lagi ko. Ayun, siguro siya mo ko.
Ayun, ka, pinakay ka ko.
Guys, kasaban ko sa akong dentist. Kay, natanggalan ko bracket. Mato makukaroon naman. Right. I just arrived at my room and I'm going to erase everything and edit my video, I guess, before I sleep. So yeah. So this will be the last clip of my vlog for today, and see you next time, I guess. Bye and good night.